Hey there, folks. If you're anxiously waiting on your unemployment claim and wondering how to check its status in 2025, you've come to the right place. I'm here to guide you through this step by step, making it as simple and stress-free as possible. Let's dive in. First off, I get it. Dealing with unemployment can be overwhelming, but checking your claim status is straightforward once you know the ropes. The key is to start with your state's official unemployment website. Don't rely on third-party sites. Go directly to the government page by searching for something like your state Department of Labor or Unemployment Services on a trusted search engine. Once you're on the site, look for a login portal. Most states require you to create an account when you first file your claim, so use the email, username, or social security number you provided. If you haven't set one up yet, there should be a Register or Create Account button. Click that and follow the prompts to get started. After logging in, head to the Claims or Status Check section, which is usually front and center on your dashboard. Here, you'll see details like whether your claim is pending, approved, or under review. Remember, updates might not happen in real time, so if it's not showing the latest info, give it a day or two before checking again. Now, if you run into any hiccups, like login issues or unclear status messages, don't freak out. Most sites have a help section, FAQ, or a customer service number listed. For 2025, many states have upgraded their systems for faster responses, so reaching out could resolve things quickly. One more tip. Keep all your documents handy, like your claim ID or personal info, just in case. And while you're waiting, take a moment for yourself. Maybe grab a coffee or go for a walk. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong.